Hello. Our group had stress reduction theory this week, and the people who made this project would be Ansley, Ashley, Madeline, and Tessa. So, stress reduction theory basically proposes that natural environments can help to reduce mental stress, while artificial environments actually increase mental stress. A lack of natural light and noise pollution are just a couple of the components of artificial settings that could create a harsh and stressful environment for individuals who are exposed to it. And at the same time, exposure to nature provides a therapeutic experience that helps to lower cortisol levels, and this can help to improve our moods and is actually key to lowering our stress levels. So this is basically the breakdown for stress reduction theory, starting with artificial environments. These are usually man-made landscapes that are paved, they're highly populated, and they don't have a whole lot of greenery. So some examples could be cities and highly urbanized areas. These high-density environments are often perceived as psychologically oppressive compared to more rural environments, which means that artificial environments can be more mentally constraining for the individuals who are exposed to them. Similarly, the lack of a natural environment can make one feel like their environment is of poor quality. So, in other words, this can make them have a negative perceived environmental quality of their environment or a negative PEQ, which can also lead them to feel oppressed by their environment. This oppression and then this negative perception are both factors that combined can induce mental stress and create an unsustainable way of living. On the other hand, natural environments are places with open land, trees, and plants, and they are not highly populated by people or buildings. Adding resources from the natural world within a person's environment can lead to a positive effect on one's mental health. So things such as shrubs, flowers, and larger windows to see the sky can release de-stressing chemicals in the brain, which leads to individuals who have a higher perceived environmental quality or a positive PEQ. People with a higher PEQ tend to have lower stress levels, and adding things such as trees or plants to urbanized areas can help to create these higher PEQs, and in turn decrease individual stress levels for members of a community. So therefore, integrating more natural aesthetics into the urban environment can actually have a really positive impact on human mental health within those urbanized areas. So to answer the question of how stress reduction theory can apply to our class research question, which was how does GVSU students' level of engagement with nature affect their individual mental health? The answer is actually incredibly easily. Our theory suggests that spending time in nature can drastically improve an individual's mental health in comparison to a more artificial environments, which could reasonably answer our research question of whether or not spending time in nature can impact a person's mental health. Our theory says yes, that a natural environment leads to a positive perception of environmental quality, which ultimately leads to a decrease in mental stress at the individual level. Our theory actually could very easily be applied to our class research topic.